Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Jen, Drinking with Gina. Today, obviously, you'll be drinking with Gina. I love it, I'm so excited. So, we will be having a drink off. This drink is delicious, either one, but there is one difference in the ingredient that goes in this drink and then this drink. This one, my husband likes to call the Whiskey Tropics. It's a good one, I like it. Mine is called Pretty in Peach. I love it. Actually, my girlfriend, Leslie, named this drink. Well, when she's drinking with Gina, we like to call her Olivia. Olivia Ophelia Fondanoodle. I love it. So, enough about that, actually. We are going to get to the recipe on how to make these cocktails. Let's get to this. First, we are starting with your favorite peach whiskey, then a shot of the amazing peach pucker. Moving on, we are using our homemade sweet and sour. For those who have not seen my previous recipe, it's 3 limes to every lemon, adding simple syrup to taste. Then, for one drink, we'll be adding in passion fruit syrup, while the other drink we'll be adding in peach currant nectar. Okay guys, let's get to this. So, to start off, we're using the Jim Beam Peach. It's delish. I'm gonna be pouring in 1 1/4 ounces, or you could say 4 milliliters. We're gonna put that in each drink. All right, so get that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and just make this one too. Oh, the pressure is on. All right, we got some peach pucker. Love pucker, it's so sweet. All right, we're gonna do equal parts for everything in this drink. So again, 1 1/4 ounce. Everything in this drink will have the same amount. Okay, then I'm moving on to my homemade sweet and sour, just like Jen and Gina. Okay, so 1 1/4 ounce. All right, guys. Can you guess which one is going in my husband's drink? That's right, the passion. He decided to go with passion, which this does taste good. I like it a lot. I just like mine better. 1 1/4 ounce passion. And then for the Pretty in Peach, we're gonna use the peach currant nectar. So good. All right. So, I'm gonna go ahead and shake these. I do not have ice in these because I'm going to pour it over some ice, topped off with some frozen peaches, which I can thank my dad who had his tree and gave me these peaches. Love them. All right, let's get this shaken up and get a taste time. All right, let's shake them both up together. All right. Good enough. Oh, and they both smell good. It's a tough call. All right, it's one I can't see. I don't want to spill. All right. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste time, but I need you guys too to make these drinks. Make them both. Tell me what you guys think. You gotta put them in the comments, tag us in it. I'm very excited. I'm gonna go with my husband's again. I'm gonna try it one more time and see. I know mine's gonna be better. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. I would never lie. The it's the peach, the pretty and peach. That's a winner for me. All right, so you guys, make these drinks. Definitely tell us what you think. I'm very excited to hear the feedback. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please jump over to Facebook and Instagram and check out the Jen and Gina show. Take pictures of the drinks, tag us in it, love it. All right, see you guys soon. Check out my next video. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number one, why not? But number two, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.